Never before has it been so important for every business to have an online presence. You can provide the most amazing products and services, but that means nothing if no one knows about it. Did you know that over 97% of consumers look online for local businesses? Are you even showing up in their search? And if you are, how confident are you that those visitors will actually become paying customers? You see, your website is your digital front door, and it's the first thing that every potential customer sees. It's more important than just an online business card. A great website builds trust and credibility. It also acts as an online salesman that works 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. A poor website, on the other hand, will drive those customers into the arms of your competitors. So if your website is slow or looks outdated, say goodbye to your business. At Primal, we believe that the success of a business depends not only on the quality of their product, but on their brand's image. We also believe that the main purpose of your website should be to convert interested visitors into paying customers. That's why we combine state-of-the-art design with scientific marketing expertise to ensure every website we build gives your visitors a smooth and enjoyable experience from your digital front door to the checkout counter. Our websites are search engine optimized and mobile responsive, so your customers can easily find your site and view it on any device. If you're finally ready to step off the sidelines and take your business to the next level, give us a call or fill out the contact form on our page to get started today.